My friend Richard volunteers for the Raptor Conservation Alliance. So when he called me this afternoon, I had a feeling I might have the chance to film a really interesting episode of Naturally Nebraska. Join us for this owl recovery episode of Naturally Nebraska. How'd you get into recovery, bird recovery?
Well, my daughter was Allie. She was in forestry, fisheries, and wildlife major at the university, and she was going to look into doing an internship for one summer, and then she was killed in a car accident. And so the next year or two, I forget when, I saw that they were looking for volunteers at Raptor Recovery Nebraska. That's what it was called at the time. And I thought, you know what? Okay, I'll do that for Allie.
Oh, it is still there. Holy crap, holy. Yep. I'm gonna get back here. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, he does have an injury on that eye.
That's what's going on there.
So is that a baby?
It's a barred owl. No, it's could be, but
Oh.
okay. Yeah, you got an eye injury.
Okay. You can put him in the box. Hi, buddy. You hissing at us?
Grab these here. I don't feel anything there. Yeah, okay, buddy. Alrighty. Stand.
Feathers missing.
Yeah,
coming out,
there's some down there too, I thought.
and that's not bad.
Okay. You felt thin to me too.
There might be some scabbing or
There.
something here. Or matted feathers
Okay.
anyway.
Yeah, he was standing fine in the box. So I want to make sure it wasn't falling over or anything. The best part, letting them go. Every time I let one go, I whisper to it, I go be an owl or go be a hawk. And then let them go and watching it fly away to go do what it's meant to do.